Crypto charts. Let's be honest folks, they can look like a toddler took a crayon to a stock market graph, right? All those lines, colors and numbers can feel about as welcoming as a tax audit. You're not alone. Even seasoned investors occasionally scratch their heads and wonder what those squiggly lines are trying to tell them. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a math whiz or a Wall Street hotshot to understand crypto charts. We're going to demystify these charts together. We'll break them down into bite-sized, easily digestible pieces. No jargon, no complicated formulas, just plain English and maybe a few bad jokes. Think of this as your crash course in reading Crypto Charts 101. By the end, you'll be able to impress your friends, or at least stop feeling intimidated, by those colorful lines. Ready? Buckle up, because it's about to get enlightening and hopefully entertaining. Before we dive into the deep end of the crypto chart pool, let's take a deep breath and remember one crucial thing. Charts are just visual stories. They tell the tale of a cryptocurrency's price over time. Think of it like a heartbeat monitor, but instead of beeps, we have lines that go up, down, and sometimes do a little dance in between. We'll learn to interpret these movements, understand the language of candlesticks, spoiler alert, it's less about wax and more about wicks, and uncover the secrets hidden in those seemingly random squiggles. We'll also equip you with the tools to identify patterns and trends. Don't worry, we won't be throwing you in the deep end without a life vest. We'll start with the basics, using simple analogies and everyday examples to make things crystal clear. By the time we're done, you'll be navigating crypto charts with the confidence of a seasoned treasure hunter. Let's decode those squiggly lines. First up on our chart deciphering adventure, candlesticks. No, we're not talking about the kind your grandma brings out for special occasions. These candlesticks are the building blocks of crypto charts, and they're surprisingly easy to understand. Imagine a candlestick as a visual representation of a cryptocurrency's price action over a specific period. The body of the candlestick tells us the opening and closing prices. A green or white candlestick means the price went up during that period, like a happy little plant growing towards the sun. A red or black candlestick means the price went down, like a sad, wilting flower. But wait, there's more. Those thin lines sticking out from the top and bottom of the body are called wicks or shadows. They show us the highest and lowest prices touched during that period. So even within a green candlestick, there might have been a moment of panic where the price dipped before recovering. Drama, even in the world of crypto charts. Section 4, Mall Mania, a day in the life of a crypto chart. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of crypto charts by drawing a parallel with something we all know and love, a trip to the mall. Let's bring those candlesticks to life with a relatable example. A trip to the mall. Imagine the hustle and bustle, the excitement of finding a great deal, and the disappointment when prices fluctuate. Imagine you're tracking the price of a limited edition pair of sneakers. These aren't just any sneakers, they're the ones everyone wants, the ones that could make or break your outfit. Opening bell. The mall opens and the sneakers are priced at $100. This is the moment the doors swing open and the initial price is set. This is your opening price, the bottom of the candlestick body. It's the starting point of the day's trading activity, just like the first price tag you see when the store opens. Lunchtime rush. The price surges to $120 as eager shoppers rush to grab a pair. The store is packed, and everyone wants those sneakers, driving the price up. This is the high of the candlestick, represented by the top of the upper wick. It's the peak price reached during the frenzy of the lunchtime rush, afternoon slump. Some shoppers hesitate, worried about the price, causing the price to drop to $110. The initial excitement wanes and people start to second-guess their purchases. This is the low of the candlestick, marked by the bottom of the lower wick. It's the lowest price point of the day, reflecting the dip in demand. Closing time. As the mall closes, the sneakers settle at $115. The day winds down and the final price is set as the last few customers make their purchases. This is the closing price, the top of the candlestick body. It's the final price of the day, the one that will be recorded and remembered. Congratulations, you've just witnessed a green candlestick in action, signifying an overall price increase for those coveted sneakers. This green candlestick tells us that the price ended higher than it started, a good day for sellers and a sign of strong demand. Just like navigating a mall, understanding a crypto chart can seem overwhelming at first, but once you break it down, it becomes much easier to follow. Each candlestick tells a story of the market's activity, just like each store in the mall has its own story to tell. The key is to pay attention to the details. Just as you would compare prices and look for the best deals in a mall, you need to analyze the highs, lows, opening and closing prices on a crypto chart to make informed decisions. So next time you're at the mall, think about how each price change and each shopper's decision mirrors the movements on a crypto chart. It's all about supply and demand and the stories that unfold throughout the day. By understanding these patterns, you can become more adept at predicting market trends and making smarter investment choices. Whether you're shopping for sneakers or trading crypto, the principles remain the same. The world of crypto trading is dynamic and ever-changing, much like a day at the mall. Stay observant, stay informed, and you'll navigate both with confidence and success. Section 5. Time is money, friend. Choosing your time frame. Now that we've mastered the art of reading candlesticks, let's talk time frames. Understanding the right time frame for your trading or investment strategy is crucial. It can make the difference between a successful trade and a missed opportunity. Crypto charts can show you price action over different periods, from minutes to years. Each time frame offers a unique perspective on the market, revealing different trends and patterns. It's like choosing between a zoomed-in view or a wide-angle shot of the crypto market. A zoomed-in view can help you catch the minute-by-minute fluctuations, while a wide-angle shot provides a broader understanding of the market's overall direction. Short-term time frames, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, for the adrenaline junkies. These time frames are perfect for those who thrive on the excitement of rapid market movements. These charts are like watching a crypto roller coaster in real time. The prices can change dramatically within seconds, offering numerous opportunities for quick profits, but also posing significant risks. They're great for day traders looking to profit from rapid price swings. Day traders often rely on these short-term charts to make quick decisions and capitalize on small price movements throughout the day. Medium-term time frames, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day. These time frames offer a balance between the fast-paced action of short-term trading and the more relaxed approach of long-term investing. A bit more relaxed, like taking a scenic train ride through the crypto market. You can observe the market's movements without the constant pressure of minute-by-minute changes. These charts help you spot trends and make more informed trading decisions. By analyzing medium-term charts, you can identify patterns and trends that might not be visible in shorter time frames. Long-term time frames, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. These time frames are ideal for those who prefer a more hands-off approach to investing. The big picture view, like observing the crypto market from a satellite. Long-term charts provide a comprehensive overview of the market's performance over extended periods. These charts are ideal for long-term investors looking for steady growth and ignoring the daily noise. By focusing on long-term trends, investors can make decisions based on the market's overall direction rather than short-term fluctuations. The time frame you choose depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're a day trader seeking quick profits or a long-term investor aiming for steady growth, selecting the right time frame is essential. Remember, the shorter the time frame, the more volatile, potentially risky, the market. Short-term trading can be thrilling, but it requires a keen eye and quick decision-making skills to navigate the rapid price changes. On the other hand, longer time frames offer stability and a clearer view of the market's long-term trends. By understanding the characteristics of each time frame, you can tailor your strategy to match your trading style and objectives. So, take the time to explore different time frames and find the one that aligns with your goals. Whether you're in it for the thrill of short-term trading or the steady growth of long-term investing, choosing the right time frame is a key step in your crypto journey. Section 6, Toolbox Essentials, your chart decoder ring. Welcome to the heart of your crypto trading journey, where we dive deep into the essential tools that will transform you from a novice to a seasoned chart reader. Now that we're comfortable with candlesticks and time frames, it's time to take our skills to the next level. Understanding these tools will give you a significant edge in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading. It's time to equip ourselves with some essential tools to unlock even more insights from crypto charts. These tools are like the secret keys to a treasure chest, revealing hidden patterns and trends that can guide your trading decisions. Think of these as your trusty sidekicks on your crypto chart adventure. Each tool has a unique role, helping you to decode the complex language of the markets. Volume bars. Ever notice those bars at the bottom of the chart? That's volume, my friend. Volume bars are crucial because they show the amount of trading activity during a specific time frame. It shows you how much of a cryptocurrency has been traded during a particular time frame. High volume can indicate strong interest and potential price movement. High volume usually means something big is brewing, like a whale, a big-time investor making a move. When you see a sudden spike in volume, it's a signal to pay attention. Moving averages. Imagine smoothing out those jagged price lines into a more manageable trend line. Moving averages help you see the overall direction of the market by filtering out the noise. That's what moving averages do. They create a smoother line that represents the average price over a certain period, making it easier to identify trends. They help you see the bigger picture by filtering out the day-to-day price fluctuations. This can be particularly useful in volatile markets like crypto, where prices can swing wildly. Support and resistance. Think of these as the crypto market's invisible force field. Support and resistance levels are key price points where the market tends to react. Support is a price level where the asset struggles to go below, like a safety net. It's a level where buying interest is strong enough to prevent the price from falling further. Resistance is the opposite, a ceiling it struggles to break through. It's a level where selling interest is strong enough to prevent the price from rising further. By combining these tools with your newfound candlestick knowledge, you can develop a comprehensive understanding of market dynamics. Each tool adds a layer of insight, helping you to make more informed trading decisions. You'll be well on your way to becoming a crypto chart ninja. With practice and experience, you'll be able to read charts like a pro, spotting opportunities and avoiding pitfalls with ease. So, gear up and get ready to decode the crypto market like never before.